In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a cover photo to a Facebook business page. To get started, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. From there, switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because cover photos are managed directly from the page itself, not from your personal profile. Once you are on your business page, move your cursor over the current cover photo area at the top of the page. When you hover over that section, Facebook will display an option that allows you to make changes to the cover image. Click Add Cover Photo to continue. This will open a small menu with different options for updating the image shown at the top of your page. From that menu, select Upload Photo. This option lets you choose an image file saved on your computer. After that, a file browser window will appear on your screen. Use it to find the image you want to use as your new cover photo. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct file. Once you have found the image, click Open. Facebook will then begin uploading the photo to your business page. When the upload is complete, the image will appear in the cover photo area. At this point, you may need to adjust its position so it looks right. If the photo does not fit perfectly, drag it to reposition it within the available space. This helps you control which part of the image is most visible to visitors. After you are happy with the placement, click Save Changes. This will apply the new cover photo to your Facebook business page and make it visible to anyone who visits the page. A well-chosen cover photo can help make a strong first impression and give visitors a better sense of your business. Once you save the changes, the update is complete. Your new cover photo will now appear at the top of your page. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.